Lexzur's Business Intelligence module is a powerful tool designed to help you personalize your dashboards and transform system data into insightful visual reports. In this video, we'll show you how to get the most out of this feature. We can create multiple dashboard pages, each tailored to different needs such as matter dashboards or contract dashboards. Within each page, you can add various widgets to visualize your data. Widgets allow you to display data in different formats, such as bar charts, pie charts, tables, and graphs. Each widget reflects real-time data from the system. For example, this bar graph below shows contracts categorized by status and type. Each widget comes with several options. Force refresh, instantly update the data if needed, though dashboards update automatically. Full screen mode, expand the widget for a clearer view. Cross-filtering and scoping, interact with the data dynamically. Download, save the graph or table for offline use. Interacting with graphs and data. You can refine your view by selecting specific statuses or categories. The zoom bar below the graph lets you expand and analyze data in greater detail. Drilling into data. Right-clicking on any section of a graph provides three advanced options. Drill to details, converts the graph into a detailed table listing each contract or matter with corresponding details. Drill to details by, filters the data based on a specific category, such as contract type or status. Drill by, adds another dimension, allowing you to open a sub-widget or a new graph based on additional fields. Applying and managing filters. To further customize your dashboard, you can apply filters. Open the filter panel, add a new filter, and choose your filter type such as time range or specific values. Assign a name to the filter. Link it to a relevant table and column. Define its scope, apply it globally across all widgets or only to selected widgets. Your saved filters will always be accessible from the filter panel, making it easy to refine and analyze your data efficiently. For any further information about Lexzur, feel free to reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.